section. Now I'm going to discussing about we have only 3 parameters pending in this class. Okay, only 3 parameters. One is parameter. So parameter. Then second one is data source level filter. Okay, and third one is across multiple data source level filter. This topic you covered now. Now you cover these topics. Okay, now I'm going to parameters. Here I'm going to what is the parameter. It's very simple. What is the parameter? So what is the parameter? So just parameter is nothing but a user can create dynamically. So user and language they can create the dynamically by selected field, required field. Suppose ikkada here naku 1000 on the values ikkada and something values are on something values 1 to 1000 వరకు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ values. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూస్ లో నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే నాకు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను. సో ఇక్కడ సెలెక్టింగ్ అనే ప్రాసెస్ ఎవరిదే? యూజర్. సో యూజర్ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే డైనమికల్లీ యూజర్ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద required field. This is about the parameter. So parameter is nothing but simply user can create the dynamically. So user can select the dynamically. That is called as the parameter. Adi ala undu check. This is definition only. Deen gurinchi em ledhu definition. Simple definition. Okay. Now clear this one. Now I am going to Tableau 2023.1 latest version. Okay. Now I am going to click the 2A file. In the 2A file, I am going to apply the sample superstore. Okay. Now in the sample superstore, automatically the tables are coming to the sheet level. Okay. Now I am going to click the order. Okay. Now we are going to sheet. So this is the table. Table 1, table 2, table 3. These files are coming from the Excel sheet. Okay. Excel sheet lo ee 3 sheets unnai. Indulo nenu order teeskunna. Okay. Now I am going to sheet 1. In the sheet 1, I'm going to select parameters. Okay, where it is parameter, where it is. Just here drop down, click the drop down. This is the drop down. Okay, this is the drop down and click here. Okay. Now one second. Now drop down. So create a parameter. Okay, and now I'm going to analysis tab. This is the analysis tab. In the analysis tab, now I'm going to create the where it is. This is the calculate field. Where no. Okay. This is the parameter and right click on any field, create. So create parameter, right? This is the field. Okay, dimension field, right click dimension field. Now create. So parameter. Likewise, I'm going to measure value, right click and going to parameter, create parameter, right? So this is the method we can create the parameter. Okay, first one is now I am going to select the drop down. In the drop down, we have to select the create parameter and select any dimension value, create parameter, right? And select any measure value, so create parameter, right? Likewise, we can create the parameter. So once create the parameter, what happened? Now create the parameter. So in the parameter, this is the name. So you can give any name based on that query. Each in query but task but you can give any name. Okay. Now this is the data types. In the data type, user can select a required field. So I want display the float. I want display the integer. I want display the string. I want display the boolean. I want display the day to date type. These are the data types you can select based on client requirement. And now I'm going to here all list range. Okay, allowable value. So all means it will take the entire fields. List means we can select the required list. So range means we can select between range. So I want to here. So range means range. Okay, range means what is the range? So I want to display the here data is 1 to 100. Okay, so here data is 1 to 100. So in this I am selecting 50 to 100. Okay, 50 to 100. This is called as the range. Okay, range. Next, list means suppose here I am going to apply the category, city, okay, country, customer name, order date. Likewise, you can select the required field in the list. Okay, all means it will allow the all entire value. Whatever you take the data field, it will take the entire field. That is called as the all list range. Okay. Now clear this one. Okay. Again close this one. Okay, again close this. Now what is the parameter? Parameter is nothing but a user can define dynamically. User can create dynamically. User can set dynamically. So dynamically user annoudu create cheskuntadu parameter ne by using different data types of data types along with all list range. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇందులో I am selecting integer. Okay, based on integer I am selecting all list range, whatever it is, you can select anything. So based on your query or client given some query na, query use chesi you can select anything. Okay, this is about the parameter. Now I'm going to parameter task. Okay, now I'm going to parameter task.